We're gonna make mixed veggie ramen. You know the ramen I'm talking about right here from the packet. It's delicious, it's filling, it's affordable, it's the original struggle meal. But now as an adult, I need to figure out how to get some veggies and protein and some vibrancy into this dish that I know and love. We're gonna add some extra vegetables to make this a nutritious and filling meal. All these ingredients for all the portions you're gonna get are only $5.74.
Life can be a struggle, but a good meal doesn't have to be. We can make creative, nutritious, and inventive dishes that won't break the bank. We'll eat well and save money, because that's what we do. Welcome to Struggle Meals.
We're gonna start off with some scallions here. Scallions are really affordable. We'll use most of the white and some of the green for right now, and then we'll garnish with the rest of the green. We got a head of garlic. We're gonna use a few cloves right now, but garlic holds really, really well on the counter. So this is future flavor. Right. So I wanna add some protein to this ramen to make it a complete meal, and we're gonna use tofu. Tofu is really affordable, and it absorbs all the flavors that surround it. Perfect. It's packed in water. We're just gonna leave the water behind. Try to find firm, extra firm, something like that. Let's cut these into perfect little cubes. Very satisfying to cut tofu, by the way. Ramen packets are so affordable that I was able to get 4 of them, meaning I can feed the average family. And ramen come with soup flavoring. They're loaded with seasonings. I'm pulling these out right now. They're gonna add a ton of salt and flavoring, which I don't have in the pantry and I didn't have a budget to buy now. Let's flavor our broth liquid right now with these, and then everything we throw in to cook, all the veggies and tofu and everything will absorb all that salty, awesome seasoning. Ha-ha! Now we're cooking with packets. I'm using chicken flavored ramen. Use whatever flavor you want. This is our flavor hack right here. We buy the ramen noodles not only for the noodles, but for the fact that it comes with a seasoning packet. And in a situation like ours where we're on a really tight budget and we can't buy salt and pepper or spices, this is perfect. Because you gotta get flavor from somewhere. All right, we've got some mixed vegetables frozen. We got carrot, broccoli, and cauliflower, and we're gonna put these right into the liquid so those vegetables will soak up all the flavoring of the ramen packet. We're gonna throw our scallions and garlic in. Let these infuse their flavors. So fun. We're gonna come in with our tofu. This is our protein for the dish, and a blank canvas onto which we can paint the flavors that we want to taste. And finale, our noodles. The broth is instant, the flavor's there. Our frozen vegetables just need to be warmed through. That should only take 2 or 3 minutes. Basically, all we're waiting for is the noodles to be cooked through. So it looks like the noodles are about done. They don't take very long at all. Check it out. Nice wavy al dente-ness. Look at that bounce. Wow, wow, wow. All right, looking good. Let's ladle up a bowl. I'm gonna garnish with some of my remaining fresh scallion. That way it has a little more of a sharpness to it. This looks delicious. It looks nutritious. It absolutely looks fresh. And I'm excited to dig into it. I really wanna drive home the point that this entire pot of soup costs only $5.74. And I still have multiple cloves of garlic left. Perfection. Yum. Seasoning is spot on. These packets provided all the flavor that we need, and by cooking our vegetables in that seasoned broth, they came out with fantastic flavor throughout. This is an excellent budget meal. We used those seasoning packets, a few extra vegetables, some tofu, and mwah, complete meal.